In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Drive files to PDFs in just seconds. Whether you're dealing with a document, a presentation, or a spreadsheet, turning them into PDFs is a straightforward process. PDFs are a universal file format that's perfect for sharing, printing, or archiving your documents. So let's dive right into the steps. First off, you'll need to navigate to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in drive.google.com. Log in with your Google account credentials and you'll be taken to your drive where all your files are stored. If you have your documents organized in folders, click through to locate the specific file you wish to convert. Once you're in your drive, find the file you'd like to convert. This could be a Google Doc, Google Sheet, or even a Google Slide. Simply double click on the file to open it. It will launch in its respective editing application like Google Docs or Google Sheets within your browser. There's no need to download or use any third-party applications. Google Drive provides all the necessary tools right on its platform. With your file now open, focus your attention on the top left corner of the screen. There you'll see a menu option labeled File. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with various options available to you. It's here where you have the power to manipulate your document in many ways, including downloading it. Now in that list of options, look for download. You don't need to click just yet, instead hover over it. This will reveal another menu to the right with several download formats you can choose from. You'll see formats like Microsoft Word, Open Document, and of course PDF, which is what we're interested in today. Finally, in that expanded menu, click on PDF Document PDF. As soon as you do, Google Drive will begin the conversion process, which usually takes just a moment. Depending on your browser settings, you might see the download at the bottom of the screen or in a downloads folder. Sometimes a prompt will pop up asking where you'd like to save the file if you haven't set a default location. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Google Drive file into a PDF. Now, you can easily email that PDF, ensure its formatting remains intact when printing, or simply have it available for offline use. This seamless process saves time and effort, making document management easier and more organized. Keep this know-how in your toolkit and you'll find yourself handling file conversions like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and be sure to check back for more useful tips and tricks.